Good morning, students. Today I have made this video to explain how to attend the assignments or tests sent to you on Microsoft Teams. So for that, first you will open Microsoft Teams, then click at the general just below your class. So I'll click at general, and in the post section I can see one assignment is given to me. But if you find it difficult to find the assignment from the list and scroll down, so you can directly go back, and here bottom right side three dots are there, more is written there. So click it more, and here click it assignments. You will see a list of different applications. So click at assignment. Here you will see the list of all the assignments allotted to you. Now, to attend a particular assignment, you will have to click at that view assignment. Click at view assignment. So from either from here or either from general and this scroll down list. So suppose I have to attend this assignment which my teacher has informed me on WhatsApp that you have to attend this assignment today, and I have received the invitation, the information for that. So I will click at this view assignment. The title of this assignment is solve this assignment now. So my teacher has told me to solve this assignment. So I will click at view assignment. Now I can see a file with name maths practice assignment number 5. So I was already informed about this, that your file question name file is with this name. So I will click at this file, PDF file. So you may get the file in Word format also, or PDF format, or any other format. But when you will open this, it will take some time and it will open, and you will be able to see the questions. See, I am able to see the questions. So these are the questions. So what I will do now, I'll note down these questions, or I will save this file in my device. Just click it three dots and click it download. So you can download also, or you can directly write the answers from here also. Now suppose you have written all the answers in your copy. Now what to do? Go back, and we have come to initial state now. Here we have opened the paper from here. Now just below that you can see the option to attach the file. Click at attach, because we want to attach the answers. So click at attach. Now here you will see more options, that OneDrive, link, Teams, take a photo, upload from this device. So if you have saved the PDF file of your answers, then you can go to the last option, that is upload from this device, and you will browse to that file and you will upload here. But if you don't want to go there, means if you don't know how to take PDF, how to create PDF, or you can directly attach from here, take a photo, second last option, that is take a photo. I'll go to take a photo, and suppose this is the first page of my answer book. So I'll click a photo here. This is captured. I can crop also. If some extra area is coming, I can crop this. And when I am satisfied, I will click at confirm. Now one more page I want to take click, so I will click it add. In the left side you can see the add button, so I'll click it add. Now I'll capture the second page of my notebook, so I'll click here. I will crop this. I'll click it confirm. Now I want to take one more photo, so I will take one more. I'll click, suppose this is the third page. After cropping, I'll click it confirm. I had only 3 pages, so I'll not click at add now. Now I'll not click more photos. I'll just click at this 3. It is written there. See, number 3. You can see that 3 pages you have captured. So I'll click at this, and now I'll click at done. Now I will see that 3 files are being uploaded here as my answer pages. Once it has uploaded, you have to click at turn in. At the right top you can see turn in, TURNIN, turn in. Click there. So the nice animation comes here and your answers are submitted. Now your work is your part is completed. You have solved the paper and you have uploaded it. Afterwards, whenever your teacher will correct that, you will be able to see what corrections she has made and how much marks she has given. That will be visible to you here at this screen again. So this is the way to submit your assignment. Thank you.